Right, that's that bit all done. I'll put my 3 spot welds in there. That's all in there now. That's all welded in there. Just got to clean it up. But I ain't going to go too mad in there because all in here is all covered up with seam sealer originally. So I'll flatten them off, prime them up. Same in there, take the tops off, flatten it a bit, but I'm going to go over mad. Around the back, actually, see that, welded some of it on the inside as well, as I got it underneath, under the bottom there, penetrated through, but the top bit there's still a bit there, so I'll give it a double coat up there. I'll flatten it off, won't go over mad because there's a load of seam sealer and under seal to go up there. That's that bit all welded in now. It's gone a bit funny there with the primer. I'll have to clean that off and redo it. That's that bit all welded back in now. All that's left now is to get this bit back on under here onto the wing for the bumper. Should do that in the next video, and there's the other side to put on as well while I'm putting the bumper on, just to finish this side and that side wing. So I hope you enjoyed the video this time. It's a bit of a short one, but I've been really busy lately doing things, so hopefully I should get back onto this and do a few more videos in the next few weeks. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.